Welcome to Unboxing Monday, and I hope everyone's doing great. Little housekeeping, I love this because this keeps this table super sanitized and clean. All right, not really sure who this is from, but let's give it an open and see what is in here. Oh, wow. Let's get that. We've got some Aquage products. I love Aquage. I've been using it for years. Certain ones I really enjoy. Let me just wipe this one down. Oh yes, this is a good one. Let's get rid of that tape. Let's make sure that's locked. That's a Volumizing Mist. Let's get some of this opened. We got a little CBD conditioning spray. Some molding mega gel. I haven't used that before. Let's put that aside. Ooh, love this new packaging. Many glasses for that one. Some texturizing spray. Let's see what else we have. Ooh. Oh, the Silkening oil treatment. That's a good one. And the transforming paste. Okay, let's get this situated. Really would love to be able to read this one, but can you? No, Chloe. Yeah, honestly can't read it. My eyes are really good. Okay, so first of all, we'll put these are the two CBD products. These are brand new, so I don't know anything about them. Ooh, this is sealed, so I'll open that later. I know this is a leave-in conditioning spray with CBD. Okay, so we'll put those aside. Next, okay, the transforming paste is really awesome. I might even use some of this now because it's great for dry hair. That's usually when I use it. And you guys, I only use about that much, and that's actually quite a bit. So I break it down, and I don't know if you can see this, but it gets really tacky, which is great for hold. And what I like to do is just go all over my hair and just get the hair messed up and build that texture in. And then that's when I start to just kind of shape the hair. Want to get the silhouette on point. And this is really great because it has some hold, but it's not crunchy or sticky, which is really key. So the transforming paste, love. And then we also have the defining gel. And then this, I cannot wait to use this on one of my shows. The mega gel, I'm hoping this has a really strong hold. It says molding mega gel, so I'm assuming. Don't want to assume. And this one's really great. This is a Silkening oil treatment. It creates silky smooth, frizz-free hair. This is a good one. Little goes a long way, by the way. And then we've got some, let's see, some volumizing mist and texturizing spray with sea salt. This is awesome if you want to get those. It's almost like that, sea salt spray. It's like you've been at the ocean all day and you have that little tiny bit of grit in your hair, which helps to style and it helps to hold. I need to get to the bottom of the CBD one. I wish. Okay, my doctor says the left eye is for reading. Oh, it says a texturizing pomade. Okay. And this is all the CBD collection, but this is all Aquage. Thank you for sending this. I can't wait to give this a try on some of these shows I'm doing. Okay, so once more, CBD. This is a conditioning, it's a leave-in conditioning spray. I think it's a spray. Let me just double check. Yes, it's a spray. So we have the CBD leave-in conditioning spray, and this is the CBD Texturizing Pomade. And then just right into that pomade we have, which I love, the texturizing paste, which is really, the transforming paste, which is awesome. The mega gel, it's gonna be awesome. But I feel like, it's like the Mega Gel. Like when I think of Mega Gel, I think about molding a style into place. So that's the Mega Gel. And then we have the Defining Gel, which is a little bit lighter, which is awesome as well. And then our Sea Salt Texture Spray, Volumizing Mist, and the Silkening Hair Treatment. This is really awesome if you've got really thick, coarse hair. I have used this before, and it is kind of transformative. Also, excellent for a beard. There you go.